Hi there, this is our evidence 1 of English. We choose the song Firework by Katy Perry. This is related to the theme 4, fire, and a little bit to the theme 1, identity. The word firework is a metaphor to express that someone's personality is like explosive or awesome. And there are 2 lines of the song that say, just own the night like the 4th of July. And as we said before, Katy is taking the person as a firework. And in the big celebrations, like the independence of the United States, people usually play with fireworks to celebrate this day. Paragraph, we have 2 lines that say, baby, you're a firework, come and let your colors burst. The singer is encouraging the person to show how she or he really is. Perry uses a lot of metaphors in this song, as we can see in the line, after a hurricane comes a rainbow. So it's expressing that not all things are bad. Even if you're having a bad day, there's always a thing that makes your day a little bit more happy. To this song, we can say that the singer wants to express that we all have like our very own shine, and that no one can tell us who we are or how to feel, because we are all wonderful in our very own way.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you? You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you work. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go You're gonna leave 'em all in You don't have to feel like a wasted space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds,